Namjoon.
He will always be rap monster for me. He will always be rap monster. I will always call him Mon.
Honey, you're not a monster, as you said, but rap
You will always be rap Mon. Or
Money?
just Mon.
money. Sorry.
Well, let it be.
Okay. And let's start. For rain. It's gonna be something sad. Am I gonna cry? Oh no, I have a mascara on my eyelashes. Oh my god.
Me too.
And we
I
have
think-
subtitles. Thank you for subtitles.
I think I need glasses because I don't know what's going on. I can see, but that's so weird. What's wrong?
Why you cannot see?
No, I can see, but... Oh. Oh, it's water.
하루 종일 비가 왔으면 좋겠어 누가 나 대신해 좀 울어줬으면 해서 종일 비가 왔으면 좋겠어 그럼 사람들이 날 쳐다보질 않았어 우산이 슬픈 얼굴 가려주니까 빗속에선 사람들도 저마다 바쁘니까
This one looks
정말
scary.
느리게 숨 쉴래 평소에 내 산눈에 랩도 너무 빠르니까 지금 모든 게 저 위치로 하늘에 날 그림자가 비추고 난 어둠을 딛고 서 있어 고개를 밑으로 내 발 뒤꿈치로 Slow rap, slow jam, slow break, everything slow Slow
Я бы
rap, slow
пошутила.
jam, slow break, everything slow
Я бы пошутила бы про Everything Slow.
This guitar, oh my god.
Oh damn, thanks for vocals. Yes! This song is a little bit depressive, but I like it. Anyways. Who's that in the back vocals?
Yeah, I also think about this. And I think it's Jungkook. Maybe. Maybe, but
I'm not sure.
It sounds a little bit like him.
춥지 못해 살진 않지만 뭔가에 묶여있지 나도 너처럼 어딘가 두드릴 수만 있다면 온 세상에 진하게 입 맞출 수 있다면 그 누군가 나를 맞춰줄까 내 고된 몸을 어쩜 받아줄까 제발 아무것도 묻지마 그냥 영원히 내려줘
I wanna hug him right now.
외롭지 않아 너라도 내 곁에 있어줘 제발 세상에서 살고 싶어
Mom, give me a hug.
영원 따위 없는 걸 알고 있어 Slow rap, slow jam, slow break, everything slow When it rains it pours, when it rains it pours, it pours Forever
So beautiful. I'm gonna cry, but I can't because of mascara. Oh my god. The animation is so good, seriously. It's not funny.
It reminds me a little bit of Hobby, to be honest.
I cannot say for
Maybe Samuel, like himself. I guess it's not June, by himself.
Oh,
Damn it! Kim Namjoon.
Oh shit.
Where?
No, no go back pictures.
No, 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 no. No, 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 no. What are you doing to us, Sarah? No, 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 no.
Mascara is staying on my lashes.
But that was awesome. A little bit depressive.
It was sad, yeah. But the lyrics was so good. And to be honest, I don't know what to say, seriously, I'm speechless right now because I'm still like shaking a little bit.
Yes, she is.
And oh my gosh, that was so good, that was pretty. I can listen to the song like forever, I think. Because it's so pleasant to listen. What are you?
Sorry.
Are you tired
No.
of filming or what?
No, I just didn't have enough sleep today.
Well, I don't think that I can say something else right now because
Damn, it so
because emotions, and you can hear that I cannot speak even. I'm trying, but I cannot.
But even though right now you speak much more than in the previous videos.
Because it's like...
Because it's Mon.
Because it's...
I will always call him Mon.
That's the man of my heart.
Namjoon.
Oh gosh.
Kim
No
Namjoon.
tears? No.
Kim Namjoon. Sarai.
Eh.
Come to Russia, please.
Don't ruin my makeup, bitch. Oh shit.
Guys, come to Russia. Come to Russia! It's so cool here.
And cold.
Right now, yes. But not that cold as in winter.
But it will be
Ну да,
in
давай.
a few days.
Ну да, давай еще с тобой еще раз 2 января поедем на Дворцовую снимать видос для них в минус 30. Yes! Видос для поздравления бантосов.
Yeah, it was really like cool story how we filmed. Congratulations to BTS on their 1,000 days from 1,000 days from their debut, and it was really cold. It was the 2nd of the January.
Oh yes,
it was really cold. It was -30 with something. Yeah,
Celsius outside.
We have like how to call this shit. I don't remember.
Me too.
Well, subtitles on our hair, like. And
Потом ставку сделаю.
yes, it was really cold. But
Our friend Natasha was yelling at us. I'm cold, bitches! Please talk a little bit more quickly.
yeah,
But that was
she
so
felt us.
awesome.
And yeah,
Yeah.
we did it, and we.
I hope guys saw us and saw the whole video.
I can put a little piece of this video in this one. I think we already told about it, so let's show people what we do and how cold it was. Oh my god, seriously, it was too cold, seriously, and we were like this. It's not a poster.
It was a poster.
Yeah,
We did ourselves.
So, yeah, we did ourselves.
We were just holding like, damn.
We are freezing.
Let's finish this as quickly as possible.
We are staying here because it's so cold and we just, I don't know, but we did it and we were so happy that we did it. And yeah, I'll put the part of this video in the end of this one, so stay tuned and see what we did and how we were, and love Namjoon, support Namjoon. He's the best man in this world, seriously. I just so in love with him. This is the...
So, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to our channel, like our videos, put the comments down below what you guys think about this amazing song and the whole album in general. Put in the comments down below what you guys want us to react to. And today,
Congratulations! BTS, Russian Army love you so much! We're really Russia again.
Keep doing what you're doing, making us fans happy.
And please take care of yourselves.
We love you, guys. Keep doing what you're doing, making us fans happy.
We're really waiting you here in Russia again.